Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate fees for PayPal. So PayPal has two options. When you send money, you can send as friends and family, which basically means that there's no fee, but the downside of that is that there's no protection. So if something goes bad with your transaction, there's no one at PayPal to step in and act as support and help you out with your situation. So if you're doing transactions with people that you don't know or maybe that you don't trust as much, you want to use the goods and services option. The downside of the goods and services option is that there's a fee, but they will step in and help you if there's any issues with the transaction, like the seller doesn't ship or anything like that. So in order to calculate these fees, all you need to do is come to salecalc.com. You can type in the amount that you're looking to get for the item or that you're looking to pay for the item. Let's just say it's $100. So we can see right here, if you send $100 to someone, the fee that it'll cost is $3.98, and the seller will receive $96.02. You can also tap this big blue button right here. Then it'll tell you kind of the flip. So if you're the seller and you want to receive $100, the buyer needs to send $104.12 because there will be a $4.12 fee. And that's how it works. So if you are the seller and you want to receive the full amount, you need to tell them to send a little more for fees. If you're the buyer, you got to ask if they want you to send them more. You get how it works. If you meet in person, you can probably just pay as friends and family because it's going to be an in-person transaction anyways, and you're going to be able to verify the item in person. But yeah, that's how it works. You can come to salecalc.com, type in whatever amount that you want. It's going to tell you the exact amount of fees that will be paid. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.